10 Most Exquisite Cocktails in the World, Volume 2. What do you get when you combine alcohol, science, and a whole lot of creativity? The most exquisite cocktails in the world. Now, for all those who think that expensive drinks taste better, don't worry. Some mixologists or bartenders created the most exquisite cocktails in the world that we should acknowledge and try. So sit back, relax, pour yourself a drink, and let us show you how it's done. Number 1. Blueberry Gin Fizz. A chic and delicious cocktail recipe. The Blueberry Gin Fizz by Vikram Aditya Misra turns the classic fizz into a vibrant purple drink with fresh blueberries. Number 2. Mai Tai with banana liqueur. The good old Mai Tai never gets old, and the bright flavors are just too good that you wouldn't mind having another glass. But what can we add to this superb cocktail? The hobby drink chef thought of a Mai Tai with banana liqueur which switched out orange for sweet fruit notes, tartness from the lime, but still potent enough in rum-based drinks. Number 3. Black Ice Chocolate Coffee. Black Ice Chocolate Coffee by Mehdi Ketabi is a perfect detoxifying drink that contains activated carbon. It's made even better with hazelnut and milk foam's nutty and milky flavors, making it intense chocolatey goodness. Number 4. The Queen's Park Swizzle. The Queen's Park Swizzle combines the classic flavors of a mojito and black rum for an interesting spring and summer drink. This recipe by Adam Wilde swaps out cane sugar with demerara, light rum for dark, cola soda water instead of crushed ice, all to great effect. Number 5. Mundo Perdido. If you're someone who loves the tart flavors of sour drinks, then Mike Agudilo's version of Mundo Perdido is a must-try cocktail for its festive mixture of barrel-aged rum with sweet and refreshing apple juice. This drink was inspired by the original recipe from Smuggler's Cove cocktail book, which gives off notes of cinnamon syrup that infuses it with an intense spiciness. Number 6. Paradise Lost. Paradise Lost is a deliciously colorful mocktail created by the Persian mixologist Farhad. The layers of various colors and flavors are intricately added to create an amber effect that's equally gorgeous as it is tasty. At the same time, each sip consists of citrus, fruity, sweet, sour, and astringent notes combined in equal proportions for balance every time. Number 7. Dill Sour Gin. The Dill Sour Gin by Michael Matskate might look very simple and casual, but looks can be deceiving. This drink combines the bitter hints from the gin, sour notes from lemon juice for a refreshing cocktail that you'd love to have any time of day. Number 8. Manhattan. Manhattan is a timeless classic. Alan suggests you drink it 2 ways. Either serve the whole glass cold or fill halfway and add an ice cube to keep your beverage cool longer. Number 9. Pastel. This drink looks too pretty to be true. When one sees this pea flower infusion, it makes them want to go swimming in the pool or on a beach, for that matter. According to Nitin Tewari, who created this masterpiece, Pastel, what's even more exciting is how the color and look of this cocktail influence its overall drinking experience. Number 10. Tongue Tied. A bartender of Tongue Tied, Andrew, made this drink that he claims can take your blues away. Made with blue butterfly pea flower infused gin and fresh minty citrus flavors, the vibrant colored cocktail is both refreshingly delicious. Don't you think these cocktails are just incredible and enticing to drink? If you like this list, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Advanced Mixology for more videos like this.